In this video, I will teach you how to use Lusha on LinkedIn to find accurate contact information for leads and connection. This tool is very useful for sales, marketing, and networking professionals. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the website lusha.com on your browser, which is right here. Then sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. But if you already have an account, you can just simply log in to it. And once you're logged in, the easiest way to use Lusha on LinkedIn is by installing the Lusha Chrome extension. To do that, all you have to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Lusha, and click Add to Chrome or Install extension right here. This will uncover prospects' contact details on LinkedIn, your CRM, or any website with AI-driven B2B data. And you must make sure to grant the necessary permission so it can access LinkedIn profiles. So after the extension is installed, you can just open linkedin.com and log into your account, which is right here. Now, whenever you visit a profile, you'll see small Lucia icon on the page, which looks something like this. You just have to click it and Lucia will show you the person's business email, phone number, and other publicly available contact details. And Lusha works best with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, but also works on standard LinkedIn profiles. You must keep in mind that Lusha has free and paid plans. The free plan allows a limited number of contact lookup per month, while paid plans give you more access. And remember that you must always use the contact information responsibly and follow privacy rules when reaching out to new leads. One tip is to save the contact directly in Lusha's dashboard so you can manage and export them later for outreach campaigns. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.